Hello everyone. Today, we're bringing you an installation demonstration for Dazuma's modern extendable. Before installation, make sure the power product list, 1 accessory pack with screws and screw anchors, 1 modern extendable vanity light. Step 1. Remove the 2 screws, securing the mounting plate on one side of the bottom of the product. Then, remove the mounting plate from inside the bottom cover. Step 2. Place the mounting plate at the desired installation location. Mark the hole positions and drill the holes. Step 3. Insert the 2 screw anchors from the accessory pack into. Step 4. Align the mounting plate with the hose. Secure it using the 2 screws from the accessory pack. Step 5. Use the wire connectors to connect the product power wires to your supply wires. Connect the blue product wire to your white neutral wire and connect the brown product wire to your black hot wire. Step 6. Organize the wires inside the bottom cover. Align the 2 holes on one side of the bottom cover. Step 7. Reinstall the 2 securing screws removed in Step 1. Pull the product's dual arms outward to adjust the lighting position. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.